Hi guys, this video is going to be about what's on my iPhone X. So let's just jump right into this. So the very first thing you would notice is, of course, my my background. It is I think it was Fancy Fit on Instagram. Yes, she's kind of my body goals right now. So then I have App Store on the front part of my phone. Have the App Store, the Bible app. And with the Bible app, you get verse of the days, and you also get wallpapers, and you can create your own image if you want to. Of course, sign up all that good stuff. I can't remember. I have several passwords for this app. Then I have my calendar, calculator, calendar, camera. And what I love about this camera is the portrait mode. You can get portrait mode even in for the front facing camera. Love that feature. For me, that's what made it for me, the portrait mode for the front facing camera. Alright, so next we have the clock. We have extras, and in extras is just stuff that I don't really use at all. That's just in there. Then I have FaceTime, GarageBand. So I also have GarageBand, and the cool thing with GarageBand is that it actually has a keyboard in there, so that's pretty cool. And that's the only thing I know. I'm sure there's more things, but I haven't explored it as yet. I have my Google Calendar, home, my mail, maps, messages, music, notes, phone, photos. Let me see if I can see my photos. I don't got no nudes up in here. Alright, let me just alright, there we go. Okay, so this is where my body goes. Just how she's proportioned, her shoulders to her waist to her hips. But then I was like, you know what, let me go for some girls who and I'm not saying she doesn't work out, because we said that she's working out now, but let's just talk about yo, you cannot tell me nothing. This girl's body's banging. The only thing is, okay, I still come. The only thing is, I want my hips to be wider. I mean, why would I not, you know? But anyway, yeah. So then I have podcast reminders, Safari, settings, wallet, weather, and down here I have what's that? iBooks, movie maker. This is iTunes, I think. Yeah, iTunes U, and then I have, what's this, Micros? I don't know what that is, you guys. It's just there. Then I have Bitmoji. If you know, Bitmoji was trending a couple years ago, and then now Snapchat and this whole Bitmoji thing, it has now solidified itself in pop culture. So I have that. I have Clips, and it's just an editing software. Let me show you guys what that looks like. Just an editing software. I'm gonna really use it, but you know, it's whatever. Then we'll have I have this to do all my currencies, because you know, you guys know I don't charge in Jamaican. All my prices I charge in US, so this is what I use to figure out what is what. Yeah. Then I have dictionary, eBay, Facebook, Facetune, and I sometimes use Facetune, but not really. I'm going to show you guys which one I use religiously. Instagram, obviously, and if you're not following me on Instagram, what are you doing with your life, bubbo? Come on now, come on now. Come on, I mean, come on now. Come on now. Are you not living? You're not? Come on now. 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 Y'all better follow me. Shit. Then I have Invoice to Go, and I have a new app that I want to download, but I cannot get it for the life of me. But I'm gonna figure it out. This is what I used to send to my clients, but with this one I don't bite. So with this one I have to like delete and start again, so I can't have more than 3 or 4 clients in there. I have to delete and start again, which is kind of annoying. Live collage, I don't really use this. It's like a pic collage. I don't really use it. I just downloaded it and I just have it on there. Then I have Messenger for my Facebook. I have Scotia Banking. This is the app for Scotia Bank. I use it to check my account, to send monies to different to send to the transactions. Anything that I would do in the bank, I use this to do, except deposit money, obviously. This is the one that I use religiously, More Beauty Tool. And let me just show you guys how I use it. So I just took some pictures. Let's go with that one, because the highlight is blinding. So I first turned down the brightness, and then I turn up the detail, and then I just turn down the tone, and that's Lush. Yo, that highlight is severe. needs to be blended, but I highlight it somewhere. But that's why I edit my photos there. Then I have Netflix. Oh my god, if you don't have the Netflix app, I have no idea what you're doing. Pages, and this is just for, I downloaded this for to the certificate, to the crap, let me just show you guys what this is. It's more, you can do, oh gosh, alright, let me just see if I can find more recent bros. Okay, so here we go. You can create oh, this is what I was doing. Let me show you guys a sneak peek. So I'm doing a manual called the ABCs of makeup, and just giving you guys a sneak peek here. Sneak peek, sneak peek, sneak peek. So I am working, you know, sneak peek, sneak peek, sneak peek. I am working the ABCs of makeup artistry, LyricRochester International. So it's something that I'm working on. It's been a while now. I need to go back to it. PayPal is what I use to do my international transactions, both for me as an artist, as Jamaican makeup artist, and for my LyricRochester International, for anything at all, anything that's online, I definitely use PayPal because it's more international. PicMonkey, I have it because I use it to edit my videos, but I mean, it's just not that deep. PicStitch is what I've been using religiously to do my pictures because it can actually add videos in there as well, so I love that one. Photoshop Express, I haven't really used that. Repost is giving me, like, it's just being really stupid right now. It's difficult for me to sign in and all that good stuff, so in different accounts, because you know I manage all of my accounts on Instagram. Then I have Snapchat. Y'all, if you're not following me on the snap of the chat, I have, yes, Papa? Daddy's so come, Daddy gone church. Hi guys, so right now I'm filming a video on what's on my iPhone X. So yeah, I'm like mid filming, so you guys will see this week. Happy Sunday, by the way, guys. Alright, add that to my story, and you guys can see who I follow. Yes, Papa? Finished? No, I'm still working. Yeah, just a little sneak peek. Then I have YouTube. Obviously, if you don't have YouTube app, I have no idea what's going on in your life. And you can't see this kiddie one because Jonathan watches kid stuff. But yeah, just some of my YouTube videos. Then I have YouTube Studio. Won't go into that because that has my monies and everything in there. WhatsApp for business and personal. ABC, this one is Dave and Ava. Jonathan loves this one, so I donated that for them. I have Camera Connect, and this connects my camera, my phone, to my camera. I'm using my 70D, and I can transfer files and pictures. Pretty cool. I have this Game Champions, never really played it. Farm Animals again for Jonathan. Interval timer. Listen, this is amazing. I have my morning routine. It's set for 21 minutes. It's really 20 minutes, and you have like 20-minute rest in between, and then you have a 1-minute cool down. Yo, this, not 20 minutes, sorry, 20-second rest in between. This is absolutely amazing for me when I'm working out in the mornings. Just keeps me, instead of me running and checking my phone every minute, or looking up at something every minute, or setting the timer for 10 seconds and stopping, then set it back to 10 seconds, I can just use this and I just work out fully, you know. And I can add music to it too. It's pretty cool. Keynote, I've no idea what that is. Live, some another app I downloaded a long time through a YouTube, because you know they do promotional stuff. So I downloaded it, sorry, a long time with a YouTuber, and yeah, I haven't really been using it, but I'm going to start back using it though. Love 101, Love 101, the family station. So please listen to Love 101. It's a Christian station, you know, it's on up still. Ninja Run, that's for Jonathan. One Set, I'm not even logged in because I downloaded it recently, because I'm like, I'm not going to do this video, so I want to download this. I have it on my phone, so I need to log in. So yeah, this is the app I use to show you guys how to eat, and it's just a really nice community. You can also join my community as well, and you can share stuff on there, so it's pretty cool. I have pedometer, which I need to delete because I will not be walking with my phone on the road anymore, so it tracks your step basically, because I got step tracker, but it has a lot of stuff. You have it for biking, running, walking, hiking, so it's pretty cool. Relic Run, bruh, addicted to Relic Run. Split Pick, and don't really use it. Uber Keys, oh, let me show you what this is. This Uber Keys, let me find my notes. Alright, so this is what it looks like. You see that? You see how my keys are, it's personalized. With my Pome and stuff, that's what that is, and that's what I use it for. So that's what I have. So I can just access it by clicking the world button. So yeah, so let's go back. almost done. 8 feet. No. Unlock Me is a game that I play. Just downloaded it just for, you know, like when I'm bored and stuff. So I'm playing like games that you run and collect coins, like with the relic run. This one is more, it has me thinking how to get rid of stuff, get out a little tight spaces and stuff. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. I feel like I'm rushing because today is Sunday and I do have church, but church starts at 9:30. So my blood cleans 8 o'clock. Alright, so I always play relaxed mode, and this is just it. So you're just, yes Papa, you just try to figure out, you know, how to, you want to figure out? What? Why I want to figure out? Lord Jesus, I'm stuck.
It's off?
Yeah man, I'm stuck. Lord Jesus. You see, I couldn't stop it unless I figured it out. I don't know, but anyway. Then I have 8 feet and it's just yeah, that is so calm. So this is 8 feet. I downloaded this recently. I was just searching stuff. See, lose fat, get fitter. It's just my little fitness area of my phone. Twitter, Periscope, which I no longer use, but I'll be using it back 2018. And I downloaded Uber. Now I know I live in Jamaica, and Uber has nothing to do with me here living in Jamaica. But I downloaded Uber simply because I've been traveling a lot in 2018, and I know I'm going to be needing this app. So whenever I go over, I'm going to get everything situated that I need to in order for the app to run for me, and then yeah, I can just start being independent and shit. What else did I want to show you guys? I want to say something else to you guys about this phone. But yeah, that's just basically it. This will come back?
Yes.
Okay, that's just basically it. And one thing that I love with this phone, whenever you get notifications, it, so you know, it's it scans your face. So when you get notification, I wish I could, let me see if I could probably. Alright, so whenever I get notifications, it comes up on the screen, but it doesn't come up what's like you say WhatsApp and it's a message from so and so. The message doesn't come up, it just says notification. So you have the WhatsApp icon, then you have notification. You have the Instagram icon notification, and it doesn't open up or shows you the message until you hold it up to your face and then it opens it up for you, which is hella cool. Alright, so the iPhone I have is the black one, and it has the glass back. It's the iPhone X. I have the black dark gray, I think it's called, or space gray. Once it's not fully black, it's like a really dark gray for real. The logo is not as obvious, it's kind of concealed but not really. And the only thing I have on it is just a screen protector. So the case I have on it is my spec case, and I bought this at Walmart, the spec case, and I've been doing a lot of, if you guys don't follow everything Apple Pro, you really should. He's the one who actually made me want to purchase this one. He has done so much drop tests with this phone, naked and in cases. He has done so much water tests. This phone is by far the strongest iPhone that iPhone has to date, just based on all the tests that he has done. They come back. I am addicted to his channel in terms of, you know, what's next, and he has been getting clones to this phone. I mean, it's just amazing. And as I said, the thing that sold me about this phone is just the portrait mode, the blurred background in portrait mode. Yes, Papa? Alright, then stop my love. The blurred background in portrait mode. Yes, it's on the expensive end, and I completely understand that, but as a makeup artist, as a YouTuber, and also just as a professional, I really think that this really suits me. I could have gone with the 8 because the same glass back, same wireless charging and all. Ooh, wireless charging and all of that, but it, for me, it just works for me. And I love it. Absolutely love this phone. I do not regret this purchase at all. And this spec case is hella durable. I just don't like how it makes the phone a little bit bulky. I like when my cases give my phone, I just want it to look like how it looks, you know. But yeah, so that's basically it for this video, you guys. I won't go long. As I say, I'm actually off to church. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye, guys. I'm not saying bye. So bye, guys.
Bye, guys.